Hey guys, so I just want to try to help everybody out. We've been having a little trouble with some login or understanding what I wanted you to do, which is fair. You're not here in front of me, most of you, and I'm not able to see your screen necessarily to help you. So let's walk through this very simply. What I had wanted you to do each day is go to announcements, click on announcements over here, sign in. There should be an announcement that says, hey, it's today, tell me you're here, you're alive, I can take attendance. And if you have a question, check that. There may be a message in there. I may start putting my hey videos for each day in there so that you can see what's going on. Maybe do a little explanation of some events. So make sure you check the announcements, sign in, put your name in. Okay, you should always come to this homepage. It should show up like this. What I expected you to do Monday was this nice little introduction important information box. So you should have clicked here. There it is. And then you could have watched the welcome back video. You do need to fill in the student info Google form, so I have good contacts for everybody. You need to go into the syllabus and look at that. It explains grading and time periods and if we get online what we're going to do, and you'll sign off on that. Then come to Actively Learn, which caused some people some trouble yesterday. So what I'm going to say is if I put a link in here, probably don't follow the link. That might be the problem. You need to go to the high school homepage, that green screen that has all your little app buttons on it, and click the Clever NC Ed Cloud one. It's in the upper left-hand corner of that screen, and go through Clever that way. It will take you to the Rapid Identity page. You sign in, and you click on Clever again. I know. And then you are going to click on the UCPS student. It's the top line, and you'll be in your Clever site, and there you pick Actively Learn app, and it'll have you already logged in. I know this is difficult right now. It will not be in the future after we all get in and get how to get to everything. Edpuzzles are purely on this screen. You do not need a code to go to the Edpuzzle. You click on this link, and you do the Edpuzzle right here in Canvas. And so then I can grade it, and you can see your grade or see what you've done. And it all is in one location. So that way we don't have to have a separate code to go to Edpuzzle, do Edpuzzle. Okay, Everfi, the same thing. You're going to Clever. So maybe when you did the Actively Learn, log in with the Everfi. If you don't do the pretest, which is like, ask you questions like, how much education do your parents have, or what kind of money, do you know anything about banking? Do you have a check card or a credit card? If you don't get to that today, that's fine, but let's go ahead and make sure we get into Everfi. So once again, go to your home screen and go to Clever, and then log into Rapid Identity and hit the little C for Clever again, and then go in and pick Everfi, because we'll be doing Financial Fridays, and we'll start that next Friday, not this one. And then you don't have to do the Quizlet thing. That's just there if you need my link to Quizlet for something. The quiz is, you do need to go in and you need to follow the instructions here. Go into quizzes. In the bottom corner, there will be a quiz it wants you to take, and I'll have a little red like alarm on it going, you need to take me. It won't really say that. But anyway, the little red thing is supposed to tell you that. The iCivics login, that would be great. I think we're going through Clever with that again. So sorry, lots of clever things. But if you get in there, or let me see, I've done a lot. You can use the class code, so you can go through Clever. This one also gives you a class code, though. It's on Immigration Nation. It's just allowing, do you allow this person to your country or not, and what's your reason? It's a game. It's not meant to be super hard. If you don't get to it today, that's fine. I'll probably put it on Thursday, Friday. Make sure you've played this kind of thing. So that was what I was hoping you would get done yesterday, is sign into everything and make sure we could do that. Based on my check marks on my paper, we all could not do that, or we all did not know where to go. So that's why we're doing this. If ever it says you need to check a chapter in the civics books, I have a civics book link here. I have chapters 1 through 5 up and going right now. So then we had Monday video for this week, and CNN. So you click on the CNN, you make a copy of the document, and then you go to CNN 10 to watch the video. When you get to CNN 10, on the right side of the screen, it will say YouTube. Click the YouTube to watch the video, and then you are going to When you get to their home YouTube site, you click videos and it gives them all by a list of dates. So even if you didn't get to this yesterday, you can pick yesterday's video and do the assignment real quick and then do today's. I give you a teaching lesson. It's very short. It's not amazing because I don't have a separate video camera unless I use my phone. I have to pick up the computer and take it with me and set it up so I can kind of see the screen and the board and myself and talk about it. We'll work all that out as we go. I hope you did a welcome to our class slide. Fill in your civics notes. Here's an ed puzzle. This pamphlet is meant to be easy. I know there's a lot of stuff going on, and if you didn't do half this stuff yesterday, you may feel a little overwhelmed. This is meant to be easy. It doesn't literally need to be a pamphlet. It can be a Google slide where you put a bunch of information, make some columns, make some boxes, make it look nice. It is purely from this nice video here, and you can even find it in the book if that makes it easier for you. I give the page numbers, like page 153 and page 161 will help you out. They are both in chapter 5, but if you watch the video, it will tell you that. And then that would be all for today and yesterday. So if you're behind, let's get caught up, and then we'll spread some stuff out, and I'll get Thursday and Friday posted, and we're all gonna be great. Don't stress. We'll get everything to work. You'll get into everything. It'll be amazing. All right? We'll talk to you later. See some of you soon.